Have you ever wanted to get black engraving on stainless steel? Well, there's a really easy way to do this now. And all you need is some black laser marking spray. There are a ton of different brands out there and a bunch of different ways you could do it. I went with this OMTech brand because it wasn't too expensive and it has some good reviews. Now, one thing to note, this does say it recommends to use a laser with a power of 25 watt minimum. But for today's testing, we are using the xTool F1, which is 10 watts. So we'll see how this goes. So I will give you a warning, it does work, but it's definitely a slow process. So let's get our tumbler prepped and ready to engrave. All right, so we are using this OMTech black laser marking spray. Now this just says to shake for like 2 to 5 minutes. So we'll do that. And again, it does say to use with a 25 watt laser minimum, but we are using a 10 watt laser. So we'll see how this goes. All right, so here is my stainless steel tumbler from MakerFlow. So let's spray it on. And it says to just do quick, even motions, just like that. So we'll let this dry for about 5 to 10 minutes and then we can throw it in the laser. All right, so we are going to pose up these jaws a little bit and put it in the chuck here, and then we can tighten this up. And then we have this little tool that comes with it to really tighten it up. So I think that's pretty good. We're gonna level it. That looks about right. Now we can get it in focus. So these two lights need to overlap. All right, we're here in the Creative Space software. We have our diameter for our cup set to 3.78 inches, and we are on our rotary process here. Make sure that this doesn't stay flat. And we just have this general kind of book SVG going. And so I'm gonna do a frame just to kind of see where we're at. All right, way too low. All right, that looks perfect. So that is what we're going to do. So we are going to use our blue light with 100 power at 10% speed and 180 lines per centimeter. And this is going to take a really long time. I'm assuming this is going to take at least an hour. So we can hit start, and then now we can hit the button. All right, this took like 3.5 hours because I'm dumb and made it so big. So I really don't know how this is going to turn out. Let's go wash it off. All right, now for the moment of truth. Whoa. That is honestly so cool. Okay, it might have been worth the 3 hours. That looks so freaking cool. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions down below, or if you're even going to try this process. Because I made this image way too big, this took 3 hours to engrave. Now it looks super cool, but is that really worth it? Now I think if you made a much smaller image and not a 4-inch image, it could be worth it. I have some other lasers that I want to try this marking spray with, but it's honestly really cool and I'm pretty happy with the results. And it doesn't rub off or anything, which is super cool. And the fact that you can clean it up with water is really nice. As always, I'll have everything listed down below if you want to do this too. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!